Going on, guys? TechyRod from TechyRod's Wire here. Today we have the HP G62 laptop that I spoke about in my last video, and we will be turning this thing from a dual-core AMD dual-core into an AMD quad-core with a Phenom 2 processor that I ordered that fits the socket just right. And we'll go from there. This laptop did not need the processor upgrade, but I thought just because it was possible and I could do it, I would just do it. So this is where is it? Can't see it. This is a G62. I don't know if you can see it. And I will check back. I'll fast forward and move on until when I start taking it apart. All right, so we have the motherboard all taken up, well, the top case taken off. And now we will remove the motherboard. If I can do it. Processor is right there. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so there you have it. There's the original processor. And here is the new processor. Phenom 2 quad core. So we'll take this one out and we'll put this one in. All right, basically just reassembling everything now. The new quad core processor has been installed, and I am now just putting the motherboard screws, additional cables, and any ribbon cables that need to be connected. I am installing, and here is the original Athlon 2 dual core processor. So I'm going to assemble everything and I will check back in when I am done. Alright, so the power switch was not correctly installed. There we go. Hopefully we have 4 cores. It's taking a while, Ooh, we got new devices. Restart later. Oh, look at that. 4 cores. Isn't that sweet? Oh boy, it's just a sweet, sweet feeling. Let's go into manage. Oh, that is awesome. Oof. Devices. And let's go to processor. Here we go. Sweet.